At All Paths Divinity School, we have an elective called AstroTheology, and this is just a tiny slice of that, a teaser really. The overall idea is that the light increases and then decreases over and over again in various patterns. Sages of many cultures have seen the light and tried to teach us. This looks like a Chinese yin-yang, but it's from the indigenous people of South America. This is what I like to call the master key to much of this wisdom. Take note of where the sun rises and where the sun sets. It's the same points at which, on the larger cycle, the spring begins and where fall begins. If you separate the circle into two parts, it's day and night, summer and winter, good and evil, heaven and hell. This cycle of light increasing and decreasing also happens on larger scales, like the solar system and even the galaxy. There are golden ages followed by silver, bronze, and iron, and then back again. Light increasing, light decreasing. Light within light, cycles within cycles. Even if you don't believe in astrology, this zodiac symbol we are almost all familiar with is useful to learn if you want to have the keys to much of this wisdom. The oldest zodiac known to us from history is from ancient Egypt. We can assume it was created by the priests of their wisdom school. Other wisdom traditions like the Masons and the Rosicrucians also have this knowledge and teach it in different ways. These are the holy days or holidays from the pagan calendar. And some traditions call this the Wheel of Fortune or the Wheel of Life, tarot, rota, wheel. If you look closely, you can see the Hebrew letters spelling the word Torah, the Book of Life. Or how about this, the Wheel of Dharma? The Buddhist realms of existence, gods, humans, animals, beings in hell, ghosts and demons, the pattern is the same. Light at the top, the most light at the top, the most darkness at the bottom. Cycles upon cycles. Light increasing, light decreasing. Now, it is just light that we are talking about. Nothing more than light. It can be mystical if you want it to be. It can be mysterious or scientific, depending on how you look at it. But when light comes into our space, when the light of the universe comes into three-dimensional space-time, it breaks apart into separate frequencies. The light breaks into different rates of vibration, such as radio waves, microwaves, infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. From top to bottom, this diagram from Kabbalah, it uses the Tree of Life symbol to diagram how the infinite light manifests to our level from heaven to earth through 7 levels or dimensions. From top to bottom. Now, depending on the wisdom tradition you are studying in, the main frequencies of this light are counted as either 3, 7, or 12. Like in music, for example, there are 3 notes to make a chord, 7 notes in a scale, and 12 notes in an octave. See how the 12 notes of the octave correspond with the 12 zodiac signs? How about this? Is this Jesus and the 12 disciples, or is it symbolism for the sun and 12 zodiac signs? For folks who enjoy myths and metaphors and similes around the number 12, we've got some fun stuff for you. 12 disciples, 12 zodiac signs, 12 months of the year, 12 tribes of Israel, 12 gods on Mount Olympus, etc., etc. If you prefer allegories with the number 7, metaphors, similes with the number 7, we've got all sorts of other kinds of stuff for you. 7 glands in the brain, 7 chakras, 7 Elohim, 7 planets, heavens, days of creation, colors, in the rainbow, etc. In the end, it doesn't really matter how you count the light, so long as you see the light. And hopefully, you find the light in yourself too. Because this story about the light, this story is your story. This is you. Be humble, for you are made of dirt, but be also noble, for you are made of stars. For more information about All Paths Divinity School or our various degree programs, please visit www.allpathsdivinityschool.org.